Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to send current location in Viber in this tutorial. Start by opening your Viber on the device. Open any chat to whom you want to send your location to. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom left. Tap on Location. Now it will show you your current location. Tap on Send Location at the bottom. Then your location will be shared. And that is how to send current location in Viber. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.